Hi friends, welcome to my channel Super Trader Lakshya. Today I'm going to talk about something very important way of trading that is called scalping. Basically, scalping is something like buying and selling within a very quick time. I mean, if I buy and I will sell, it will be the time duration of that position will not be more than 2 to 3 to 5 minutes or 10 minutes max. That's the max. So the thing is, why scalping is very successful, because mostly a volatile market is always moving up and down in a very quick succession. But the thing is that many of the people who are thinking positional will not be able to utilize and benefit from that small move, those small moves. So the idea here is that if you can really utilize those small moves, you can make 2 to 3% profit every time. And if you're able to make 2 to 3% profit every time, and suppose if your volume is 1 lakh rupees, that is 2000 rupees in just one trade, and that will hardly take 2 minutes. So this is something very efficient way of trading, I would say, and the risk is very low. But the thing is, you should not keep doing this again and again at least 10 times a day. You should not do it so many times a day, because the thing is that law of average will catch up, and if law of average catches up, and if you lose 2 times, those 2 times you will not book 2000 rupees loss. That's the problem. So you will go for 10% stop loss, so that will take away all of your profit. So there are some advantages, there are some disadvantages, but the thing is that this is very efficient way if you really have a very good control over yourself. So understand the basic principle behind this type of trading called scalping is self-control, and you have to have a lot of satisfaction with that trade which you take, because if you don't, then you will again get in and you will trade at least 20 times in a day, and that again becomes something else. So the thing is that this is very important, which I'm going to talk about. So I'm just talking about today's market. So if you look at the today's market, you can understand that today's market was a bit of flattish, but the thing is, in the morning market was not able to make the highs, so it was very clear that market will drift down, but the drift might be very slow. So that was the perception in my mind, and that was the analysis also, that there will not be a bigger dip, but there could be a small dip, and market will be in a range of plus minus 100 points in bank nifty and maybe plus minus 20-30 points in nifty. And that's what market has been playing out throughout the day. So what I realized is, if you look at the chart, you can see that the market has been giving zigzags throughout the day. If you look at the small zigzags, these small zigzags are enough to give you a profit of maybe 2 to 3% very easily. So if you are really thinking about scalping, you have to understand that such a kind of move in the market can be traded, and the only thing you have to do is you have to book that 2 to 3% profit whatever you're making. So I'm just showing one of the trade I took in the morning. I just thought of making a video because many people are losing because they are positional. Many people are losing because they are like taking a position for 2 to 3 days. They are thinking about big moves, but they are missing those small profits, and believe me, these small profits could make it big. And that's what I did for the today, and I'll show you that. Okay, so if you look at the market was like zigzag, and these small falls can be traded in the put side. So if you buy put, you can utilize that. Okay, now the second picture which I'm talking about is the profit which I already booked in the morning, and after that I decided to make a video. So the profit I booked in the morning was 10,350, and this profit I booked in 29,600 PE put of bank nifty. Expiry is happening on 18th of April. Okay, so this is the position which I already had, and then I decided to take a trade and record a video for people, because see, why should I lose just to train you, right? But the thing is, I just took that risk because I wanted you guys to understand this is very important. But thank God, with God's blessing and everybody's blessing, I made profit in all of those trades. But the idea was that I would have booked 2% profit or 2% loss. So I'm just going to show you that in this video. Okay, so now you can see the video here. So in the video you just look at this. So what I did is I just bought at 128.6, and I just executed the order. That market price at that time was 129.5. So I just took 2 rupees down order. Okay, so it got executed, and now you can see the PNL. It started moving, and immediately I went and I placed a selling order at 130.9. So how much I am expecting the profit? I am expecting hardly 3 rupees profit, 3.5 rupees. That will be 2.5%. And you can see here that selling order also got executed. The quantity was high. Okay, definitely I accept that the quantity is high. Not everybody can do this, but the thing is, in scalping you can, because you are playing for a very small move which has a higher probability of happening. So you can see here that execute that order. Okay, then I again took a scalped order after this order, and in that order, so in the previous order I booked 3000, approximately 3500 profit, and then again I took a scalped order and I booked almost 4000 profit. So here I bought 1400 quantity at 136, and I sold 1400 quantity at 138.3. so it was hardly 2.3 rupees, but the thing is, still I made almost 3000-4000 rupees in this trade. So net at the end of the day I could make easily 17,000 rupees. Okay, now from 10,000 I went to 17,000 rupees. Now many people who think that it's so tough to make money in market, believe me, it's so tough to control your mind in this market. It's very easy to make money. Okay, the only thing you have to understand is what you want and how you are going to go with the game plan. So this game plan is called scalping. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I know many of you have not subscribed yet. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share these videos with your friends who are not in trading, so that they can also get some hope and they can start trading. You can also be part of my premium team, premium group, where I give the calls. You can also be part of my mentorship program, and you can learn the right way of trading. So I hope you like this video. Thank you very much, guys. Keep watching, keep loving, and keep motivating me to make further videos. Thank you very much.